My name is Abhishek Jain and welcome back to the tutorial series on how to write a programs for a quantum computer with the help of our open source Python library Qiskit. In the last part, we understood how to install our Qiskit on our Windows machine. We know Qiskit not only help us to write a program but also provide a flexibility to simulate the same program on our classical computer. What does simulation mean? Simulation means the execution of the program on our PC or a laptop to have more or less similar behavior, like how would it behave when same program is going to run on an actual quantum computer. But keep in mind, simulation will always gonna be give you the same behavior, whereas the same program when it run on an actual computer, it would give us a different observation and different result. And why is it so? Because quantum computer works on a probability, whereas the classical computer works on a certainty. Because in classical computer, bits are either gonna have 0 or 1, whereas on a quantum computer, qubits can have 0 or 1 or both. And that we're gonna understand in upcoming videos by writing a programs against the actual quantum computers. So once we are done with the simulation and we are satisfied with the written program behavior, then we are good to go for running our program on actual quantum computer. So how can we run our program on an actual quantum computer? For that, what IBM has done is IBM has made their quantum computer hardware available through a cloud. What we need to do is we need to create our account to access those quantum computer available on cloud. How can we create that account? So creating that account, what you have to do is you have to just go to the website quantumcomputeribm.com, right? And here you can click on this create an IBM ID account, and it will ask you some information which you need to fill in, right? For me, I have already set that up, so it is directly taking me to there. But if in your case it will ask for some information, basically your mail ID, you will provide your mail ID and put your bunch of information like name and all those stuff. Then you will get a link on your mail ID, and there would be an instruction through which you can set up your account ID. And once you are done with creating your account ID, and once you log into the machine, you will get this welcome page, right? In this welcome page, you can see on this right hand side, you can see what all quantum computers are running. You can see this IBMQ 16 mail one, which has this particular device is having 15 qubits. Then we have IBMQ London, which has 5 qubits. Similarly, we have a lot of quantum computer, and we can run our quantum program any of these quantum computers. You can see it's have 3 jobs, 10 jobs, and whatever the quantum computer on which we want to run our program, we can see how many jobs are there, and which one is having a lesser number of jobs. We can ask through the code to run our program on that particular device. Now, as I mentioned that the another prerequisite to run our program on a quantum computer, along with this, what happens when we create this account? When we create this account, it creates our access token. That is nothing but when we are going to run our program, we need that access token. We can call it as an API access token as well. So here you can see this symbol, right? You can click on this. My name is showing here. Once you log in with your name or your credential, you will see your name, and here we have this my account. And here you can come down to this copy token, which is highlighted with blue color, and you can click on this. Once you click on this, you will get your token ID created, right? It's copied. The next thing which you have to do is you open I just open my notebook. You can also open your notebook, and you can type this line from Qiskit import IBMQ, and I have already saved my access token. So and I don't want to reveal that, but what you can do is, rather than doing this, you have to use this save. Don't worry about all these stuff. I'm just gonna cover this in upcoming section. Here you can use this method save account, and you can just give the access token which we have copied, and you can just shift enter, and if there won't be any issue, then you would be able to load your account, right? So once that is done, it's already in use. The next next thing what we have to do is we can just get what all quantum computers are there. How can I get that? To get that, IBMQ dot get underscore provider, and we can just click on this. Oh, I just made a mistake here. It should be small. Okay, and now we can just print provider dot backends, and now you can see whatever the available computer, whatever the available hardware we are seeing on this, like IBM 16 Melbourne 15 qubit, we should be able to see this IBQ, IB one, right? So that is how we can get what all the actual quantum computer is available on a cloud. And we can just come here and see sometime if any of the quantum computers on maintenance mode, you can come here and you can see. And because when I was start learning and I just found one issue, I was just trying to send my program to this IBM London, and it was not allowing me to run that program, and I was wondering why it is happening. So what I realized is, that particular quantum computer was under maintenance, right? But I was not aware of that, and it took some time for me to figure it out. But so I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of this fact, right? So that is how you can just set up your account, and you can just save your account, and once the setup has been done, you are good to run your program. So that's it from my side for this particular video. And apart from this, and if you want to just play around with just creating a circuit on this browser, that also you can do. You can see here we have some qubit, we can drop and drop the gates and all this stuff. Don't worry about all these gates. Once we just progress in this tutorial series, you just get to know what exactly these gates are built for, and what exactly the purpose of using these gates, and how can we build our own circuit by using these gates. But it's good if you can if you can just come here, create a circuit, and you can just play around with and just figure it out what exactly happening. That would ease down your process of learning and understanding the concept related to the quantum computer. So again, that's it from my side for this particular video. If you have any question, any suggestion, please feel free to put that in a comment section, and I would love to incorporate that in our upcoming series, so that it would be more easier and simpler for beginners or the person who want to understand this quantum computer world. So thanks for watching this, and as always, stay healthy and keep learning a new stuff.